When conducting a fuel gas conversion, please ensure all fuel is shut off to the unit. Start by setting the adjustment screw at the gas valve to a value of 2 for operation with liquid propane gas. To make the coating adjustments for the fuel conversion, we must access coating level 2. First, press and hold OK and the menu button until the word service appears at the top of the screen. Next, press and hold OK and the return button until the word coating level 2 appears at the top of the screen. Select General by pressing OK. Next, scroll to address 11. Press OK on address 11 and set the value from 0 to 9. Save the change with OK. Note, once the value is set, the 9 will convert back to a 0 and the number 11 will be highlighted. If the value is entered correctly, a key will appear in the top right corner of the display. At this point, you can scroll to address 82. For propane conversion, set the value of address 82 to 1. Save with OK. At this point, scroll back to address 11, set the value to anything other than 9. Coating and conversion is now complete.